Welcome to Night School. Shout out to Kirk Studios. It's your boy Hidji World. Let's get it. The mindset is you can't think about money because once you think about money, you stuck. You gotta know the craft. You gotta know what you're doing. You gotta know your worth. Like Gabriel Moses, you feel me? He's fire. He had this style. Get your style right. Once you get your style right, they're paying for your style. I grew up in this, like I was learning in the industry. So it's just like my style evolved, but I can still do what you want me to do. But once you know your style and you put your out, that's like they're gonna contact you for you doing your.
I love the Night School. I kind of feel like I was sitting in on a podcast episode. The floor was open for a lot of questions, but it's just inspiring.
I really liked it, like the experience and all the creativity and the skill sets that everybody has. Being like a creator in a way, or being like into content, you know, you got to do different things in order to get that crowd that you want.